the green, or you have it?
No longer.
Oh, it had a good long run, didn't it?
Hi, sweetness.
Here, this pose. Come here.
I'm just videoing so we can see her move. Oh.
She's pretty. She's definitely
Yeah, look at the,
And then she's got that funny little stripe on her tail.
she's got the little color on the sides of her mouth.
She's like a little horse trotter, huh?
Yeah.
Look how cute she is. Look how cute you are. Buckles, why are you rushing the door? This is your freedom right now.
Yeah, they do like to run. She chase things?
She's kind of got a little thoroughbred trot.
This is the first time she's been in the yard. I think Charlotte brought her yesterday.
Oh, okay.
So she,
Oh!
now that she sniffed. Hey, sweetie.
Yeah, look at
Hi, sweetie. Yeah, they definitely don't have that at South. You can take them out on leash to the front, but that's about it.
They don't have a yard?
No. So you can take them out front on leash, like to the grass, but they can't run like this.
They don't have that.
Look at your feet. Look at those legs. Look at the coloring on her legs.
She's brindle on her legs. Hi. Buckles.
Right, too. I didn't know. I didn't work anymore. Yeah, I am looking for it.
Nope.